Hey guys, it's John with another episode of the JRB Climbing Method. So when I made the introductory video, I had a couple of claims, and one of them was about speed. And although safety is the feature I really like to promote in the system with the redundancy and whatnot, it is really important that we, make best use of our time when we're going up in a tree. I really wouldn't worry too much about shaving seconds, but when I hear stories of people taking 20 minutes or more to get up in a tree versus a couple, I think we've got an opportunity to still be safe and use our time efficiently. So what I'm going to do today is a timed climb. And I stress that if anyone is trying to take time out of their own climbs, they do so as safely and effectively as possible. I'm pretty experienced in this method, and so I don't necessarily want you to try to copy it in the sense that I am going to be moving fairly quickly. So what we're going to do is we're going to run a timer. We're going to have a little fun. I'm going to get to that tree, which is just a few steps away in a realistic hunt situation. This is a tree that I actually hunt in, and I'm going to go to 25 feet, and we're going to see how long that takes me from the time I arrive at a tree that already has a preset paracord loop. Okay, so why don't we start the timer when I touch the tree? Okay, so here we go. I'm walking up to my tree. We'll start the timer. So I'm going quickly, but I'm not rushing. I'll locate my paracord preset. Clip in. Locate the one on the other side. Go into those Michoacán loops with my primary friction hitches up. And I put in my best friend, little best friend, which is just a girth hitch. That's my redundancy. And so now I'm climbing. Okay, that's 25 feet. What do we get for time there?
2 minutes and 29 seconds.
Okay, yeah, so again, that was a little quick. I generally figure, 3-4 minutes in a real hunting situation. And as you saw in my other videos, when I come down, disengage the Garda, take out the best friend. I put in my Munter friction hitch on both lines. Okay, nice and snug. All the slack is out. Beams are tight. And it's never a race coming down. I was going to come down slowly and burn off that friction nice and slowly. I can do this with one hand as well. Okay, well that was fun. 2.5 minutes for 25 feet. You know, we'd slow it down a little bit in a real hunt, but you get the idea. It's a pretty quick way to go up in a tree without any mechanical devices, and I just wanted to get that claim backed up just a little bit. All right, guys, be safe, and I'll talk to you soon.